everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and I'm here to do a video on some new additions that Pat McGrath added to her line for holiday 2019, and I'm excited to finally have these products. I ordered my products the day that it launched that morning, and for whatever reason my package got lost, and I'm gonna be honest, my package still has not arrived to me. I actually drove an hour to meet Mel, and these are her products that I got to do this video for you guys. So thank you so much to Mel for letting me borrow these products, because if not, this video still would be delayed because I still don't have my package that I ordered. So I don't know what's up with that. A lot of people ask all the time, do you all share makeup? And the answer to that is that I wish we did, but we don't live close enough for us to be able to get our videos up in enough time. Just wouldn't make sense. We would spend more time going to the post office trying to send stuff or meet up, and it would just take too long and our videos will be late. But thankfully, if she needs me or if I need her, we're only an hour apart. So let's jump into this collection. This is the second launch that Pat McGrath has done for holiday 2019. She launched 2 quads a little bit earlier in the season, and then she came out with the 3rd quad, and then we have 2 cream products. So let's jump into the details of it. So the official name for this collection is the Obsessive Opulence Collection, and I have 3 new pieces from her. I have 2 of these. These are called the Chroma Luxe Highlight Creams, and I have one in the color Astral Blue Star, and I have another one in the color Pale Gold 002. So these retail for $30 each, and they have 0.23 fluid ounces or 7 milliliters of products. That font is a little hard to read. I'm like, my eyes. But this is what they look like. They come in little bitty squeeze tubes, and it has a design on it, the same design that the packaging has. And the description for these products says that these are a gel cream highlighter that shines with radiant glittering effects for the eyes and face, available in sparkling gold and brilliant blue iridescence. Pearlescent pigments create multi-dimensional shine with a smooth texture that's exceptionally adhesive and applies effortlessly with a finger or a brush. This glittering full coverage cream stays in place for a lasting wear and high impact diamond sparkle intensity. I did not use the Astro Blue Star in this demonstration, but I will show you all a swatch of that in a second. This color is beautiful, but if you are not bold enough to wear it on your face, you can absolutely wear it as a base color for your lids, or you can wear it by itself on your lids, and that goes with the other color as well. But the other color is gold, and so most people are more comfortable using more neutral tones on their face. So I can see where Pale Gold 002 will be the more popular choice for a face highlight. But they're both beautiful. They're both very iridescent. They do have very fine flecks of glitter, but it's so finely milled that it just looks like a shimmer. And next we have the quad. This one is the Blitz Astral quad in Ritualistic Rose. And like I said, I did get the other 2 quads that Pat McGrath came out with a little bit earlier in the season, and I did a dedicated video to those quads. I will have that video linked in this video as well as down below in the description box. With her launching these quads, this was the first time that you can get the special shades, the Dazzler shades, without purchasing the larger palettes that she comes out with. So I'm always going to be excited about these quads because this is what draws me into her brand the most. Pat McGrath is iconic and I love her, but these type eyeshadows that come in these quads and the last 4 colors in her larger pan eyeshadows is really what makes me go crazy for Pat McGrath. I'm like, oh my god, I love those. So just like the other 2 quads that she launched, this one retails for $65, and this one has 1.5 grams of product times 4, so each pan has the 1.5 grams of products. And this is the packaging that this one comes in. So this packaging is in the same type design as the other 2 quads that she came out with, but the design is slightly different and it is a different colorway. So again, the packaging is really nice. It's very heavy. It has the Pat McGrath hieroglyphs that I absolutely adore. And here's what the eyeshadows look like. As you all can see, it has a rosy feel, which is why the name of it is Ritualistic Rose. It has a golden undertone to it, and I really like this color story. So the description for this palette says that it is a sparkling eyeshadow quad of mesmerizing hues, inducing artistry, and glorifies eyes with sparkling flashes of gleaming gold, molten bronze, and radiant roses. These hybrid formulations combine the best features of powder, cream, and fluid textures, delivering high pickup with an opulescent payoff for eyes that beam with ritualistic radiance. Succumb to extravagant makeup artistry with this exquisite array of finishes, delivering iridescent color and sparkling shine. But I'm excited to do a look using these products. Before I jump into that, I want to show you guys the swatches, and then I'll show you all how to do this look, and then make sure you stay tuned until the end, and I will tell you all my final thoughts about these products. But let me know if you plan on picking them up, or if you've already picked them up. You all already know, if you shop through my links, you do help to support this channel, but you are in no way obligated to do so. But I hope that you all enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and jump in it. As you can see, I already have on some eyeshadow in my crease. Just to give me a little bit more definition, I prefer with my eye shape to have a matte eyeshadow in my crease. You can go in with just the shimmers, but to me, it makes my eye look feel more complete when I have the mattes. I will have exactly which palette and which colors I used down in the description box. Now let's dip into the Ritualistic Rose Quad. So I'm first going to dip into the color Antique Gold 002. And I am going to pop this right on the inner corner. Pop, pop. And then bring it over somewhat. I probably I'm going to end up going back over this like when I'm done with the eye look, just in case it's not as prominent. But overall, I want that blinging inner tear duct highlight. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some on the lower inner corner. Next, I'm going in with Astro Rose Orchid. This is a flat shader brush. This is a MAC 247 brush. And I am going to pop this color right on the lid. So you all see I already have some colors in the crease. I want this color to be on the center of the lid and then blend it right next to that inner tear duct color. I'm tapping off my brush to minimize fallout because I do already have makeup on my face. This color is so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. But I am just tapping this on. You can absolutely tap this on with your finger. I prefer brushes just because I feel like I can be a little bit more specific with where I'm placing the eyeshadow. But I mean, it'll apply really well with whatever method you use as long as you're packing it on. So I'm leaving a little bit of space open right here because I do want to put one more color from the quad on the lid. But overall, that's what I want it to look like. Same brush, and I'm going to take Rose Quartz 005. And carefully apply that right in that empty space. So now on the middle of my lower lash line, I want to go in with the color Beyond Bronze. Just pop that right on in there. Oh my gosh, that's so pigmented and pretty. So I'm done with my eye look, but before I go do my liner and lashes, I want to use that cream product for my highlight first. I'm taking Pale Gold 002. I have a fluffy brush. This is a Stilazzi Large Fluff L227 brush. So I'm just going to take a bit of this product on the brush first. And before I put it on my cheeks, I'm going to blend it out on the back of my hands, because it is important to disperse this product so you're not getting the large patches of the product on your cheek area or wherever you're putting it. So once you do that, then with a light hands, go in with this where you want to apply it, which I'm applying it on my highlighted area with the fluffy brush, and then blend it out. You can always go in with more, but I would recommend to go in with just a little bit, and then I still have some on the back of my hands, and work with that until you get it to be the intensity that you want it to be. And by doing it this way, you're not disrupting your makeup too. This looks so pretty and wet like on the skin. You can go on top of it with the powder products, or you can leave it like how it is. And I'm going to leave it like how it is because I already think that it's doing a lot in a good way, and I don't think it needs anything in addition to it. So I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup, add liner and lashes, and I'll be right back and we can talk about my final thoughts about these products. Here's the finished look using these new products, and I am absolutely in love with the way that my look turned out. I think that this quad is my favorite one out of all three that she launched this holiday season, just because these colors just really speak to me. They look really pretty, very golden, very beautiful, complementary to my complexion. They apply very beautifully. They gave me the beautiful wet iridescent look that I live for with Pat McGrath eyeshadows, and they absolutely did not disappoint. I'm excited that I can use these by themselves. I don't have to depend on any type of sprays. I don't have to depend on any type of glitter glues. I barely got any fallout, and I get this much sparkle, and that's what makes me come back to Pat McGrath time and time again, and that is what I love from her. So she could just give me this all day, every day. I will take it. I love each and every eyeshadow in this quad. Even this one, and I don't typically even gravitate towards colors like this, but they just look magical on the lids. I think that she did a fantastic job, and if you like golden or rose gold type tones, this is pretty. Even if you think you don't, this is still pretty, and it's going to translate on so many different complexions and look absolutely stunning. So yes, as far as the Chroma Luxe highlight creams, I love these as well. I think that these are a little bit more hard to work with, especially if you're first starting out. But if you follow my tips like what I told you in the demonstration, make sure you use a little bit at a time. Make sure you blend it out before you put it on your face. You'll have a lot easier time using it than if you just try to go straight in with a lump of the cream on your face, because it's going to dry down fast and you don't want to have any splotchiness. You don't want to pick up any of your foundation and have any holes in the areas where your foundation was. So just make sure that you do it like how I did it, and that way it blends out and it looks gorgeous, because this stuff does not budge. And for this to be a cream, this is one of the most intense creams that I have ever used. So I'm in love with it, and I think Pat McGrath did an amazing job on these as well. But let me know what you think about this launch down in the comment section. Did you pick up these pieces? Let me know. I think these will be a go for holiday season, and even beyond that, I definitely see myself even rocking this next summer, because I think these products just translate well from season to season. So I will check you all in my very next video, which will be super soon. Smooches. Bye.